Very good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So we have made some modification in the MST iCore 2.0 premium indicator. The modifications are the existing features available in our indicators are: first one is the chart pattern, time frame. So if you don't know how to use this, just click on to this I button. It will be explaining you very clearly what to do. So next one will be our contact details, then time frame. Then if you want, you can use this IIT calculation based on the situation that we will teach you. Then market type we have given, whichever you want, whichever time you want to trade, that you can use it. Then SL calculation, you can use tiny or very tiny or small SL, whatever you want, you can keep it. Then followed by first buy entry, first buy targets, first sell entry, first sell targets, and second buy, second sell targets also followed by given. Then the major next support and resistance also given. Then we have given the session time for breakout. Suppose if you are trading based on the 1 hour time frame or 15 minutes time frame, you are particularly selecting the high and low. Then whenever the high is broken, you are going for the buy entry. Whenever the low is broken, you are going for the sell entry. So that time this will be useful. Then we have given DCP is the center point, PDH previous day high, then PDL previous day low, PDC previous day close, and TDO today open. Then P trend, positional trend we have given. Then we have given 4 to 5 things in a single label, that is MST trend zone. It will show you the trend zone, the volume candle, MST buy and sell signal, and super trend. The super trend is not the default one what you are seeing in the free indicator. This is the optimized one. Then we have given moving averages, moving average 1, 2, 3, 4, and VWAP also we have given. So these are things we have given in the indicator. Now whenever you open the indicator, what you have to do, go here and give reset settings. Reset settings. So now I have kept in 1 minute time frame. So if you want, you can keep in 15 minutes, 3 minutes, 30 seconds, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whichever you want, you can trade. It is up to you. So now if you are trading in BANKNIFTY spot, and if you are trading in option, then we have given a very good method of choosing the strike price. What is the strike price you have to choose? So by default, this brown color line will be there, that is IIT1 DCP will be there, this line. Okay, if market is going first to sell entry, this zone, top zone, then you can take 41,500 put option. So in the morning itself, what you can do, you add this strike price 41,471. The nearest strike price is 41,500 call option and 41,500 put option. So both you can add. If the market is going first here, you take the put option, this one 41,500 put option. Why you are taking this? Since market has crossed already this strike price, so the premium of that 41,500 put option will be very low. So today, for example, I have taken this 41,500 put option at 220. If you see the low made was 216 something, and the high made was 400 plus, which means 180 points plus I have got the profit. And similarly, when the market has touched here, okay, I have taken from the middle point. What is the middle point? I show you the middle point also, how to take the middle point. Come here and select the DTP, it is for the top midpoint, and DBP, this is for the bottom midpoint. See here, it has come down, it has touched here, and exactly it has taken the reversal. And another opportunity what we are having the indicator, it is the IIT calculation. So when and where we have to use the calculation, whenever first three candle, first three 15 minutes candle or first 5 minutes candles are green, then you can use this IIT calculation for the sell entry. Similarly, whenever first three 5 minutes candle or first three 15 minutes candles are red, then you can use this for the buy entry. If you don't understand this, simply use default settings. See here, I have used this IIT calculation. So exactly it has touched here. It has taken the resistance once, twice, thrice, fourth one, fifth time. On the sixth time only it has given the very good fall. So from 9:50 to 11:20 there was no movement, but though we have got the target here itself in the first target, but it was in a range bound. So whenever this range is broken, immediately we have got the very good fall. So this is how we have to trade. It is very simple. So in addition, what we have given in the indicator, so go down. So if we go here, it is trend, yeah, we have given this MST buy and sell signal, volume candle also we have given. See here we have got one sell entry, small profit, another buy entry. So this buy entry we have to ignore because it is below our sell zone. So now this is the perfect sell zone, because what is the two confirmation, it is in our sell zone. Also we have got the sell entry, very good profit. Now again we have got one more buy entry here, and we have got some profit, and still we are in a buy, and here it is very near to our buy zone, so we can take the buy entry also. I hope shared the screenshot of today's put options trade as well as the call option trade. I had taken 41,500 put option at 215, and the high made was 249 something, and 41,500 put option I have taken at 220, and the high made was 400 plus. So you can verify in the Telegram channel. So if you have any doubts, please ask us. If you already opened any account using our referral, so we are giving the indicator for free for trial version. Okay, it is not possible to give you 100% free, but we can give on discount. So whoever is interested to use our indicator, please contact us on the given number, WhatsApp or Telegram, 9500009154. Thank you for watching our video. If you are not subscribed to our indicator and YouTube channel and Telegram channel, please subscribe and give your support. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.